Mother and her two daughters go for a ride. Mom ends up in jail. The girls here at Children's Hospital in Detroit. Police say mom was arrested for drunk driving, and it wasn't the first time.
It's already bad enough to drive drunk, but to have little children in the car and not have them buckled in, that's very sad.
Highland Park Press Secretary Marley Blackman talking about a mother who made a bad decision to drive drunk last night, and her two young babies paid the price.
And she had two small children in the car, 6 and 7 little girls.
According to police, mom driving this Dodge Neon swerved into oncoming traffic and collided head-on into an SUV. The girls were in the back seat. They were not sitting in a child seat, and they were not wearing seatbelts. Mom was arrested for drunk driving and escaped unharmed. But unfortunately, her little girls weren't so lucky.
I was told one of the little girls, her face is scarred, cut up really badly, and she's missing all of her teeth in the front of her mouth.
According to public record, this mother has been convicted of drunk driving at least 2 other times. Police are not releasing the woman's name until she's been formally charged. The 6 and 7-year-old girls are still here at Children's Hospital in Detroit, listed in serious condition. We're told one of those girls needed eye surgery. Meanwhile, mom is expected to face charges tomorrow morning. Reporting in Detroit, Gino Vici, 7 Action News.